We got the dual Cuisinart coffee maker about a year and a half ago, and it has held up great. What I like to do is put fresh beans in the evening, and then when I wake up in the morning, it's really quick just to throw in a filter and grind my coffee. Tastes great, smell great. But in the afternoon, when I'm home alone and I want a quick cup of coffee, I can use the K-cup side. It's a really neat coffee maker, like I said, easy to use. And the other thing I love about it is that it just fits perfectly right under the counter when I'm done.